What is a streamline? The streamline position is a fundamental skill in swimming designed to create an arrow shape at the top of your body for maximum efficiency in the water. We introduced the streamline position as alligator arms in our toddler tadpole class. To achieve this position, swimmers place one hand on top of the other, extend their arms straight above their head, and squeeze their arms tightly behind their ears. This position reduces drag and creates an aerodynamic line on top of the water. In Sea Star, we push off the wall in streamline kick and kick out for 7 yards. Start with the swimmer holding the wall with one hand while the other arm is straight out in front, resting on the water surface. Position both feet firmly on the wall. Instruct the swimmer to push off strong, bringing their hands together in a streamline position. Eyes should look down and they should start kicking immediately while maintaining a straight body line. Once they reach 7 yards, assist them by stopping to catch their breath and repeat the process and have the swimmer kick back to the wall. If the swimmer shows signs of fatigue while kicking back to the wall, take a large step forward to reduce the distance.